What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I am out here at the TOLA Expo in Dallas, Texas. I am very excited to be out here. You guys know COVID has held us down, and I'm finally able to meet with all of our manufacturers and show off the industry-leading products to you guys. I am here at the Epson booth, and we're going to be showing off an Epson 6050 with a Screen Innovation Solo Pro 2 motorized drop-down screen with a Slate 1.2 gain. I know that was a lot of information, so I'm going to bring in Jeff, our man of style with Epson. He is the factory training manager, and he's going to give you the lowdown on this booth, what makes it so special. All right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, we're out here at the TOLA Expo in Dallas, Texas. We are at the Epson booth. I got the Doctor of Style, Jeff, here with Epson, and he's going to give you the rundown on this Epson 6050, which is broadcasting onto a Screen Innovation Solo Pro 2 Slate 1.2 ALR, ambient light projecting screen. That's why it looks like a TV, guys. So he's going to give you some of the proprietary things that make this such a great value projector. We carry the 6050 as well as the Epson 4050. Type that into YouTube with Dreamedia behind it, and you'll see tons of videos where we've highlighted this product. All right, over to you, Jeff.
Hi everybody. If you've ever considered having a large image in your home, 100, 120, 130 and larger, this is where it becomes affordable. We're a longtime manufacturer of projectors and the inventor of the 3 LCD light engine, our own proprietary way of making the picture. The 6050 is a great model because it represents the most value for the dollar. The image quality on this is outstanding.
Yeah, this is an absolutely beautiful unit, guys. This is not native 4K projection. This is actually using pixel shifting technology. So it's emulating a 4K picture, but it's actually producing a full 18 gigabit per second signal. It is, as you can see right here, without analyzing this side by side next to, like, say, a GDC or a Sony, which we do shoot out videos, so check those videos out, you can't tell. This looks absolutely beautiful. It's a TV. It's super bright. It's super vibrant. High lumen output, 2600 lumens, right? And if you go down to the next model below it, the Epson 4050, you're just dropping 200 lumens. You're down at 2400. So really, really great value. You can get a huge screen at a very affordable price point. You got anything else you want to add in there, Joe?
No, I think you've covered it. A great value, great bang for the buck, long-time manufacturer of projectors, great warranty, 3 years, bumper-to-bumper exchange warranty.
Perfect. And one other thing that I did want to mention, with this particular product here, the PC models, the 4050 and the 6050, you actually are getting a free chief projector mount, which is a very premium product included as part of the bundle, as well as you are getting a spare bulb. Bulbs for these things are $300, and it comes included as part of this package, as well as the 3-year advanced replacement warranty program. It's a really, really good product, guys. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to purchase Screen Innovations or Epson, we are your go-to nationwide authorized dealer, guys. I love the opportunity to business. We ship this for free throughout the entire country. All right, well, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater, here with Jeff with Epson at the TOLA Expo. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.